Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your Week 5 Screencast video. So, by now, I think most everyone is aware that the content, specifically in Chapter 1, that is in Week 5, like the exercise 1.1 and the page counts in 1.5, is in the Curious Researcher. I've seen some excellent posts so far in the discussion board for discussion board 6. I'll get to that in a second. So just to point out, in the very opening announcement, I mentioned that the textbook is required material to the Curious Researcher 9th edition. It's in the syllabus as required material. You will find page number references and exercise references throughout the course, and that all rolls back into the Curious Researcher. So hopefully you're reading more than just what's required. I mentioned many sections in the course of the weeks. So if we were to take a look at the module here, let's see, content, excuse me. Brainstorming topics, always look in the readings, resources, and activities model, and it'll let you know what we're working on and certain sections of the textbooks. Some of it will have more focus, some of it might not, but all of it is rather appropriate to our work here this semester. So let's get to discussion board 6. Alrighty, that's exercise 1.1. I got part 1 and part 2 on this particular discussion board. All we're doing here is completing the steps and attaching a document. It's just like some quick, fast writing, thinking and writing kind of activity to get you working through a possible research topic. Now, discussion, part 2 here, the identifying a discourse community, gives you an alternative for a research topic, something you might want to look into that deviates from like the standard topics that I get all the time, like, oh, is social media bad for you, and global warming or climate change, or those type of topics. So if I get back into the unit here, research topics on discourse communities. Now, I do have a lecture video about discourse communities. 2 links here to a John Swales article and also a Dan Melzer's article about understanding discourse communities. Both are pretty readable. You can skim through it and take a look, but more importantly, take the time to look through the lecture video. It's an important resource to understanding what a discourse community is. That's why I have a separate video for that particular topic there. So that is an important step for. Let me get back to the part 2 here. So you may decide that there is a research topic out there for you. As you can see, all the posts vary here, but each one has a document that can be accessed, and with the steps 1 and step 2. So that is that particular discussion board. Now, moving on to discussion board 7. I think it's really important for everyone to take this activity seriously. It is a formal research proposal. Now, I'll give you the page numbers and some instructions here for your formal research proposal. Your proposal, and we're setting up your decision on a topic here, is actually an important step, because this is the research topic that all of the activities, let me repeat this. This is the research topic that all of the activities after this point are going to revert back to or be about. So you're looking for 2 to 3 internet sources to help you develop content and thinking for your research topic, for your proposal here. I believe that I have to be clear once again that this is a particularly important discussion board because it enables you to start researching and working with a topic that'll build into the annotated bibliography in about 3-4 weeks, and then ultimately toward the end of the semester, your research essay. It's important to stay consistent. You're not flopping back and forth. This is not a one-off type of a situation we are going to have a sustained research project here. All right, so that's for discussion board number 7. All right, so that about covers it for this week. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.